Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to set Dropbox appearance to follow your device's system theme. Whether your phone is set to light or dark mode, this option makes Dropbox automatically match your system setting. It's simple, quick, and perfect for keeping your apps looking consistent. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account and on the main screen. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several tabs. Tap on the one labeled Account in the bottom right corner. This is where you can manage your preferences and settings. Once you are in the Account section, look for the Settings option and tap it. This will open a new menu where you can customize how Dropbox behaves and looks on your device. Now, scroll down until you find the Dark Mode option. This is where you can switch between different appearance modes for the app. You'll notice three choices available: Light Mode, Dark Mode, and Follow System. To make Dropbox match your device's theme automatically, tap on Follow System. That's it. From now on, Dropbox will automatically switch between light and dark modes depending on your phone's current system setting. If your phone switches to dark mode in the evening, Dropbox will follow suit, and when your phone goes back to light mode, Dropbox will change to no need to adjust it manually every time. This setting helps you keep a consistent look across all your apps and can even help save battery on devices with OLED screens when dark mode is active. Give it a try and see how seamless it feels. Setting Dropbox to follow your system theme only takes a few taps, but it keeps everything looking smoother and more coordinated. And that's how you set Dropbox to follow your system mode, quick, easy, and fully synced with your device's theme. Thanks for watching.